Hi guys, last lecture we discuss IUPAC names of mono-halogen derivative of alkanes. Now in today's lecture we discuss IUPAC names of remaining organic compounds. Before starting today's lecture, for IUPAC names, our formula prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Last lecture we discussed all these points. Once again I revise. Prefix means substituent or alkyl group attach longest continuous carbon chain. Word root indicates number of carbon atoms present in longest continuous carbon chain. Primary suffix term nature of carbon bonds present in longest continuous carbon chain. If only carbon single bond, we use ANE. For double bond, ENE, and for triple bond, YNE. Secondary suffix indicate functional group. If OH alcohol family, secondary suffix OL. For aldehyde, AL. For ketone, ONE. Carboxylic acid, OIC acid. And for ester, OAPE. Amines, NH2, secondary suffix amine. Now dear friends, priority of function group. Carboxylic acid more priority than acid anhydride, ester, acid halide, amine, cyanide, aldehyde, ketones, alcohol, and last amines, like this. Now very important point. If secondary suffix starts with vowel A, E, R, O, U, then ending E of primary suffix is removed by secondary suffix. Now dear friends, when more than two function groups are present, then more priority function group acts as secondary suffix and second one acts as prefix. Last lecture we discussed mainly IUPAC names of mono-halogen derivative or alkyl halide. Now today we discuss remaining organic compound. Now first organic compound we take an example CH3, CH3, OH. It is an example of alcohol family, dear friends. Now first of all, our basic first rule is common. Select longest continuous carbon chain. Here, longest continuous carbon chain is of 3 carbon. Give the numbering to the longest continuous carbon chain. Function group attached to that carbon which acquire least number. Now from top to bottom, first, second, third. Now dear friends, there are 3 carbon atoms are present in longest continuous carbon chain. For 3 carbon, word root is prop. Now, primary suffix, only carbon single bond is present and therefore primary suffix we use ANE. Alcohol family, and for OH, alcohol family, secondary suffix OL. And the position of OH is second, that means 2-ol. And here one alkyl group methyl is attached to carbon second, that means 2-methyl. And therefore dear friends, IUPAC name of this compound is answer 2-methyl prop. Now secondary suffix starts with vowel and hence E of primary suffix is removed. Hence 2-methyl propane 2-ol be the IUPAC name of this compound. Now next example, CH2 double bond C, Cl, CH, OH, CH3. Now give IUPAC name for this compound. Now once again dear friends, select the longest continuous carbon chain. Here longest continuous carbon chain of 4 carbon. Give the numbering from left to right, first, second, third, fourth. Now dear friends, here two functional groups are present. One functional group is chlorine, another one is alcohol family OH. Now here priority of OH is greater than Cl, and hence here chlorine acts as prefix. Now here prefix is chlorine atom attached to second carbon, that means 2-chloro. How many number of carbon atom present in longest continuous carbon chain? 4. Therefore word root is but. Now carbon-carbon double bond is present. For double bond, primary suffix ene. Okay. Now secondary suffix is OH, alcohol, attached to carbon third, that means 3-OL. Second suffix starts with vowel and therefore E is replaced, and hence IUPAC name of this compound is 2-chloro but in 3-ol. 3-chloro but. Actually carbon-carbon double bond between first and second. Here we also can written but 1-ene or 2-chloro but in 3-ol butene 3-O. Now next compound, we take another example. Next example, CH3 CH OH CH OH CH2 Br. Now dear friends, it is a very nice example. Once again, there are two functional groups. One is halogen bromine, another one is 2-alcoholic OH group. Priority of alcohol greater than Br. Therefore we taken secondary suffix OH. But here two OH groups are present, and when two similar functional group or alkyl groups are present, then we use the word di. Hence here, now first of all, longest continuous carbon chain of 4 carbon, hence word root but. Bromine atom attached to first carbon, give the numbering first, second, third, fourth. Bromine atom attached to first carbon, prefix become 1-bromo. Now carbon-carbon only single bond, therefore primary suffix ane. Now dear friends, here two OH groups are attached to carbon second and third, that means 2, 3. For 2 di and alcohol family OL. Now here secondary suffix does not start with vowel, hence we cannot remove E of primary suffix. Hence answer of given compound is 1-bromo but or butane 2,3-diol. 1-bromo butane 2,3-diol. Okay. Now next example. We taken some complicated example. Next one. Now dear friends, it is an example of cyclic compound, only cyclic compound. First of all, it is a cyclohexane. OH group attached to that carbon, thus term as first, second, third, fourth. In this example, no prefix. Word root actually it is 6 carbon hexane, but cyclic compound, that means cyclohexane. Now primary suffix, as it is actually cyclohex. Word root is cyclohex. Primary suffix, it is a only carbon single bond, hence ANE. And secondary suffix, here also 2 functional group, both are alcoholic family. 1,4-diol. Secondary suffix does not start with vowel, hence it does not remove E. Hence IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexane 1,4-diol. Cyclohexane 1,4-diol. Next example, we take another example. Next function group. For example, now give IUPAC name of this compound. Next, CH3 O C2H5. Now dash O dash, that means ether is a function group. Now dear friend, first group, longest continuous carbon chain of 2 carbon C2H5. This compound we also written in this way, CH3O CH2 CH3. Give the numbering, number 1 and 2, left to right. Now dear friends, here CH3O, methyl plus oxygen, that means methoxy group attached to first carbon, and like chlorine, like halogen, alkoxy group is also acts as prefix. Hence here prefix is 1-methoxy. Word root 2 carbon, alkane, that means eth. Primary suffix ANE. There is no secondary suffix for this example, and hence IUPAC name for this compound is 1-methoxy. 1-methoxy ethane, or direct we can write methoxy ethane. Now next example, we take another example, complicated example of ether family, CH3O CH2 CH CH3, and here one methyl group CH3. Now dear friends, once again, first basic rule, longest continuous carbon chain. Here longest continuous carbon chain of 3 carbon atoms. Okay, give the numbering. Now we can give numbering from left to right. First, second, third. Now here 2 prefixes are present. One is methoxy and another one is methyl. Methoxy group attached to first carbon, methyl group attached to carbon second, and hence prefix. Now prefix is like this: 1 methoxy, comma 2 methyl. Word root, how many carbon atoms? 3 carbon. For 3 carbon, word root is prop, carbon carbon single bond ANE, and hence answer IUPAC name for this compound is 1-methoxy 2-methyl propane. Prop plus ANE, that means propane, with the IUPAC name for this compound. Now next we taken another example. Next function group we taken, for example, aldehyde. For aldehyde, CHO, secondary suffix is AL. aldehyde family CH3 CH CH3 C double bond O H. Now as usual, first rule, longest continuous carbon chain. Longest continuous carbon chain is 3 carbon, hence word root is prop. Carbon carbon only single bond, primary suffix ane. Okay. Now first, second, third. For second carbon, methyl group is attached and therefore prefix is 2-methyl. And secondary suffix aldehyde family. For aldehyde family CHO, secondary suffix is AL. Secondary suffix starts with vowel. Hence, E of primary suffix is replaced by secondary suffix. Hence, IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl prop. Propane is replaced by Al. That means propanol or propane 1-ol. Aldehyde group is always at the terminal position of the longest continuous carbon chain. Therefore, there is no need of requirement of writing one. We directly return propanol. Okay. Now next example. Next example we take complicated example. For example, CH3 CH Cl C double bond O H. Now dear friends, here also two function group. Now aldehyde we have more priority than chlorine, and therefore in this example chlorine is acts as prefix. Select longest continuous carbon chain. How many carbon present in longest continuous carbon chain? There are 3 carbon, first, second, third, and therefore word root is prop. Primary suffix carbon carbon single bond, that means for primary carbon carbon single bond ane. Secondary suffix aldehyde, that means Al, and prefix chlorine atom attached to second carbon, that means 2-chloro. Hence, IUPAC name of this compound is secondary suffix starts with vowel. Remove E of primary suffix. Hence, IUPAC name of this compound is 2-chloroprop. That means propane 1-ol or propanol. Now next example, we take the example of next function group, ketone. For ketone, C double bond O, secondary suffix is ONE. It is also starts with vowel, remember. Now next example for ketone family, CH3 CH CH3 C double bond O CH3. Now dear friends, first basic rule, longest continuous carbon chain. It is a longest continuous carbon chain. Do the numbering from that end which is nearest to function group. If we can give numbering from left to right, carbonyl group third position. But when we give numbering from right to left, carbonyl group acquired second position. Hence, numbering we can given from right to left, first, second, third, fourth. Now dear friends, there are 4 carbon atoms in longest continuous carbon chain. Therefore word root is good. Carbon carbon only single bond, primary suffix ane, secondary suffix, it is an example of ketone. For ketone, secondary suffix is ONE. Position of secondary suffix, ketone is second, that means 2-ONE. Secondary suffix starts with vowel, remove E. 1-methyl group attached to third carbon, and hence prefix is 3-methyl. And therefore, dear friends, IUPAC name of this compound is answer 3-methyl butane but 2-1. Sorry, but butane 2-1 be the IUPAC name for this compound. Next example. Now we take a next example, same ketone family, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, C double bond O, H. Now dear friends, here also two functional group. Now this compound can be given two ways IUPAC name, hydroxyl group, OH group, alcohol group. The priority of aldehyde or ketone is greater than alcohol. Now this compound can be given IUPAC in two ways. We see first way as this one. Now here aldehyde family, that means Al, and alcoholic family OL. Okay, but here first two as this one, longest continuous carbon chain. How many carbon atoms are present in longest continuous carbon chain? There are 4 carbon. Numbering should be given from left to right. Right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here world root for 4 carbon, n is equal to 4. World root is but. Now here OH, if we access OH as a prefix, then it is 3-hydroxy. Primary suffix 4 carbon, carbon single bond, that means ANE. Secondary suffix aldehyde family, and hence Al. Secondary suffix starts with vowel, remove E, and IUPAC name of this compound is 3-hydroxy. 3-hydroxy butane or butanol. It is one way by which this compound is given IUPAC name. Or second one, if this OL and Al will join to each other, that means 3OLAL. Okay, if we use like this, then another IUPAC name of this compound is butane 3-olol. Butane 3-olol with the IUPAC name of another compound. Now we take on next example. Next example for now in G exam there are compound represent like this. Now first of all, we condensize this compound. This compound is similar to, now here we can write in simple form CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, double bond CH, C double bond O, CH3. That means this compound we also can be written in this way: first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6 carbon. That means CH3, second carbon is CH2, third carbon CH, one methyl group attached to third carbon, then double bond CH, C double bond O and CH3. Now dear friends, numbering, actually this is a wrong number. The numbering should be given from that end which is nearest to functional group. Now here functional group is carbonyl, hence numbering can be given from right to left. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It is a wrong numbering. Here numbering is given from right to left. Now here friends, how many carbon atoms are present in longest continuous carbon chain? There are 6 carbon atoms. For 6 carbon atoms, one root is X. Now listen, here carbon-carbon double bond is present. Hence primary suffix for double bond is ane, and the position double bond start from carbon third. That means 3 is the position. ane for double bond, it is the primary suffix. Now secondary suffix for ketone, ONE, and the position of ketone is 2-ONE. Okay. Now prefix, one methyl group attached to carbon 4, and therefore prefix is 4-methyl. And hence now secondary suffix starts with vowel. We remove E of primary suffix. Hence IUPAC name of this compound is 4-methyl hex. 3E 2,1 4-methyl hex 3E 2,1 with the IUPAC name of this compound. Now we take next example. For next example, we take an next family. For carboxylic acid. Now we take next functional group, carboxylic acid. Therefore, carboxylic acid has highest priority, and for carboxylic acid, we use the secondary suffix OIC acid. Like again, carboxylic acid group also present at the terminal or starting of the longest continuous carbon chain. We taken an example. Very nice example here for carboxylic acid. For example here CH3, CH, CH3, COH. Dear friends, this carbon is an unsymmetric carbon atom. It is an example of very simple carboxylic acid. Now first of all, select the longest continuous carbon chain. Here longest continuous carbon chain is of how many carbon? 3 carbon. Give numbering first, second, third. Second carbon atom 1 methyl group. Prefix is 2-methyl. 3 carbon word root is prop. Carbon-carbon single bond ane. Second suffix OIC acid. Secondary suffix starts with vowel, replace E of primary suffix. Hence, IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane or propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid. Next example. Now next example is very nice example. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, COH. Now dear friends, it is the last example of today's lecture. Now dear friends, this compound also have 2 functional group. One is ketone, another one is carboxylic acid. Priority of carboxylic acid is greater than ketonic functional group. Hence, ketone can act as prefix, and for ketone prefix, last lecture, oxo and position of oxo. First of all, longest continuous carbon chain. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Word root 10. Give the numbering. We can give numbering from right to left. First, second, third, fourth, 5th. Carbon-carbon single bond primary suffix ANE. Secondary suffix is OIC, acid. And dear friends, ketonic group can act as prefix, and for ketonic group prefix is oxo, that means 3-oxo. Hence IUPAC name of this compound, secondary suffix starts with vowel, remove E, hence IUPAC name of this compound is 3-oxo pentanoic acid or pentanoic acid. 3-oxo pentanoic acid with the IUPAC name of this compound. Now dear friends, now homework, give IUPAC name for this compound, try it. I will give only 2 examples and give IUPAC name for these 2 compounds. I answer in next lecture. First one is CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH CHO CH3, first one, and second one amine family. Second homework CH3 N CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH3. Try it. I answer it next lecture. Thank you.